Okay, guys, so ChatGPT5 came out. It claimed to be as general PhD level smart. So I thought, okay, let's take it for a spin here. So I gave it this general position, general chess position. It's somewhere in the middle game. It's between two amateur players. One of them was myself. Game is in a very average situation. Nothing very special going on. Three minor pieces versus three minor pieces. I asked ChatGPT to analyze it after white has just moved their bishop to d3. Coincidentally, my opponent had abandoned the game, so I just thought, okay, where roughly was I? Was I winning? Was I losing? I'm not really sure. So I asked ChatGPT to come up with some analysis of it. And this is what happens. So it says, it's the first attempt. He says here, black, I was playing black, has a very strong tactical resource. It just says that it captures all the positions correctly, which pieces are where, and it says the best move is bishop takes h2. Okay, only problem, there is no piece on h2 to take. It's h2 is this square over here. We're playing black, so count from that side. So it's saying bishop takes h2. There's no piece on h2, and it does know that because it started by saying where each piece is, and it says take that. I said, okay, there's nothing to take on h2, so how can I take bishop h2? Then he thinks for 2 minutes and 14 seconds. That's a long time. And he says, you're right, my bad. In this position, bx h2 makes sense because the h2 is empty. Okay, then he says the f4 pawn blocks this diagonal and goes on, gives me something else. Except there is no pawn that blocks on the h2 on f4. There's nothing here. So I point that out. I said there is no pawn on f4. And again it says, oh yes, you're absolutely right. There is no, thanks for pointing that out. Let's look carefully. Okay, etc., etc. Then it comes up with some move here. It says bishop f4 because it develops with tempo by hitting the queen. Still problem that bishop f4 would not challenge the queen. The queen is over here on b3. So I point that out. I said bishop f4 does not challenge the queen on b3. And it says, you're 100% correct. Let's slow down and really orient ourselves with the board. So you can see it has a very nice flowery way of talking still. But anything of substance, I'm not really sure. Is it really an upgrade? I'm not sure. I don't know if you have an experience with a different vertical. I'm happy to listen more.